the dip switch. It's the dimmer switch for the headlights. This car didn't come with one installed, so I've kind of been looking about how it goes on there. Basically, there's just a hole in the floor, and you could put the whole thing through there and have it mount from the back, or you can put it from the top. I think it goes from the top, and then the carpet goes over it. So down here is the hole where it goes, and you can see the shape of the hole is the same as this plastic shape on the back here. We're gonna mark that on the carpet. Now if we just cut off the whole mark, this plastic bit's a bit wider than the circle. So we just need to make it circle shape instead of this weird shape. See it there? I'm not going to be able to film and cut at the same time. So I mentioned that I've been reading the concourse guide, and it's answering all sorts of questions. I'm not going to go back and change things that I've already done unless there's like a safety issue, or if I have to take it off for some reason. But one of the things that did come up was this switch here about how it should mount, whether it's on the inside or on the outside. And they said that it should be on the outside because if it's on the inside and one of the screws gets loose, it could shift over and the terminal will short itself out against the body. So that's a safety issue. So I'm going to pull it off and put it in the concourse way.